Alright, so I chopped up some weed with scissors. Throw away your grinders, and you want to cut up your weed with some scissors. I'm gonna try and teach you how to roll a perfect joint. Everyone I roll for says that I do it very special, so I don't know. This is just the way I do it. I don't know if it's special or not, but I'm just gonna teach you, and hopefully you can roll a
He's speaking the truth.
perfect joint.
I will vouch for every word he just told you, people.
Alright, so get that. Get your boat. So OCBs, people have a problem rolling with OCBs and raw papers because the paper's a little thin. But if you
Longer,
have,
too.
yeah, and longer. If you have your hands, your fingers just a little damp, then it'll make it a little easier. Alright? Well, right now it is pretty humid out. I don't have to wet my fingers. So what you want to do is you want to put your herb in your boat. Alright? You can put all of it. Doesn't matter how much it is. It could be a little bit. It could be a lot. I like a lot. What you want to do is you want to divide it up. You want to put two piles. You want to have just a little bit in the middle. The middle will get taken care of. You want to have two piles, one on each side of the papers, because that's where your fingers are going to work. Okay? So then you close it up. You fold it. Push down on it. And then you use the paper as your machine, using a little bit of pressure every time. Right? Little bit of pressure every time. Once you get your paper to stick and grab, that's it. You're good there. You just keep working it back and forth. Some weed falls out, don't worry, you can put it back in. Roll it back and forth. Patience. A little bit of pressure, not too much pressure, a little bit of pressure. You'll feel it tightening up. When you get it to a point where you know you can wrap it, lick it. And stick it. Then you just take your end of your scissors, barber scissors, perfect, right? Look at that, perfect little tool. What you do is you push that all in there like that, right? Giving the paper time to dry. You don't want to mess with twisting it too much until that paper's dry. And then both ends. Then that little herb that fell out, that's where you put it in. If you want every little crumb. I like every little crumb. If I cut it, I want to smoke it. So you leave an empty leaf and a full joint. By that time, your saliva should be dry off that paper. Put a little bit still. Put a little twist on it. A little twist on it. And then you just cut the end. That's your lit end, the top, the fatter end, and there's your mouth end right there. Boom. And there you go. Perfect joint.
Voila.
Ready to go.
Perfect.